Um, Good evening. Welcome to Legit Job Solid. So, in today's video tutorial, I will tell you how to get $48 from this airdrop, which is actually RDOG. So, I will tell you how to get 1,000 RDOG. So, for totally free without spending the time. So, what you want to do is you need a Telegram. So, you need a Telegram account. So, you need a Telegram. So, before going to how to get this 1,000 of this RDOG for free, which is about 400 and something, 40 something dollars presently now. So, all I want to do is hit on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Don't forget to hit that share button, share with your friends and family. So let's move on to the how to get our airdrops. So we will be using Telegram for this. So if you don't have a Telegram account, so you can go and download it. So let's click on Telegram. So I will be dropping the link of this bot in the description of this video. So you go to the description and get the bot link. So this is the bot. I have actually used this bot, and I will be showing you my payment proof from this bot. So you can see. So once I will be dropping a link of this bot in the description of this video. So once you click on the description, it's going to lead you to your Telegram account. So all you need to do is click on your start button. So once you click on the start, so you will be joining this channel. You will be joining the group. So once you join the group, you click on done. So once you click on done, you can see the pre-sale. So you can go check on the pre-sale. So you can go check on the pre-sale if you want to buy it through pre-sale. You can see the price on pre-sale. So then once you finish with that, click on done. So the pre-sale is not compulsory. If you don't want to partake through pre-sale, so you can partake through the airdrop section. So you can get the airdrop for free. So what you need to do is follow them on Twitter and retweet that pin post. But don't worry if you don't have a Twitter account, I will be dropping this retweet link. So for those that don't have a Twitter account, so I will be dropping this retweet link. So you copy the retweet link and paste. So once you paste, you're gonna be pasting your Binance matching, your BNB Pep20. So you go to your wallet. Let's go to our wallet. So for those that don't know how to copy Binance matching, let's go to our wallet. So let's go to Trust Wallet. So at the point of watching this video, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So don't forget to hit that share button and share with your family and friends. So this is your smart chain. So this is your smart chain. So you click on receive. You click on receive, you copy. So once you copy, head back to the bot. So once you come back to the bot, you click on paste. So once you paste the address, you're gonna be seeing a pump up like this. Your balance is 1,000, which is about $160. It's $160, not 40 something dollars. So it's $160. So once you click on the address, so you will be seeing a buttons like this. So if you want to claim, so you don't need any referral for this, you could actually click on the claim. So once you click on the claim, the 1,000 of the coin will be transferred to your wallet instantly. So to check your balance, you can check your balance here. So you can get a referral link here. So let me show you my balance, and I have actually withdrawn from this booth, and I will show you my payment proof. You can see my balance is 1,000 distributed 1,000. So let's go and copy the contract address. So let's copy the contract address. We will be going to the group to get the contract address. So we will be getting the contract address from this. So So this is the contract address. We will be copying it. Let's copy the contract address. So once you copy the contract address, so once you copy the contract address, you come back to three-dotted line. So you click on it. So once you click on it, so you will be pasting the address you copied in the search bar. So we'll be pasting the address there. So let's paste for it and search for the token. So you can see no asset found. So let's add custom token. So let's click on add custom token. So once you are here, you change this to this Ethereum to matching. So let me do it. Change it to matching. Alright, this is matching. So this is matching. Let's click on it. So we're clicking on it. So once we here, you click on the paste. So let's paste. So you can see the name, the symbol, the decimal has actually appeared. Sorry. So the name, the symbol, and the decimal has actually appeared. So all you need to be doing is click on the done button. So let's click on the done button. You can see the 1000 token. You can see this is the 1000 token. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. Make sure you watch till the end. Let's see the price on Popcoin. So let's go to Popcoin. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this, and turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Don't forget to hit that share button and share with your family and friends. So let's see the price on Popcoin. They will be uploading that they will be updating the price on CMC very soon. So let's see how much it was on Popcoin. So let's wait for it to load up a little bit. Okay, you can see let's look for the coin. So let's look for it. Okay, you can see the price is actually going high. You can see this is the coin. You can see this is it. So the price is actually going very high. So let's click on it. So you can see the price. You see the market cap. So let's go for the info. So you can see the price of the 1000 token. So this is the price of the 1000 token. So this is the price of the 1000 token. So at the point of watching this video, if you really find this video very interesting, Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any video like this. So thank you for watching.